Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on Xauusd. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and as discussed yesterday, that market should remain sideways choppy, and yes, we can see the market seems to be sideways right now. We do not have a clear trend present. If you switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes of 15 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, then obviously you'll get a different picture. But if we consider the overall picture, we do not see a clear trend in the market right now. During the US session, market was volatile as expected, and yes, market showed some crazy moves. But right now, market is standing around 2300. Yes, 2304 is the current market price, but market is lingering around the crucial level of 2300. So let's discuss the trading opportunities for today. But at first, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold stabilizes above 2300. Gold held steady near 2300 per ounce mark on Friday, on track for its first weekly gain in four after falling over 1% in the previous session, as investors assess softer than anticipated US inflation figures against the Federal Reserve's updated interest rate projections. Gold holds steady on track for first weekly gain in four. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. And if we look at the economy calendar, we can see today we have Michigan consumer sentiment. Earlier, Michigan consumer sentiment, okay, doesn't used to bring much volatility, but these days it has become very difficult for us to predict, okay, when the market will be volatile, when not be volatile. So it's better to protect our hard-earned money and capital and be careful. So new traders, beginners, do not try to gamble, okay, thinking that you can make a lot of money at the time of news. No, most of the people lose money because of the high volatility and slippage. Okay, so be careful. So the range that we discuss 2350 and 2287 is still very much valid, and this seems to be the range of gold. So we can expect a weekly closing to be inside this range only, okay, or below 2350 and above 2287. Clear? But we can see that earlier market has made a high of 2341. So in case market goes up or market surprises everyone, we can expect 2341, 2342 to be also the next resistance for the market. If it fails, then you can look for a selling opportunity around 2350. 2350 is a round number, and when we use our beloved FIBO, we can also see we have FIBO 61.8% retracement around the 2350 area. So we are considering 2350 to be as a strong resistance. So if market reverses, we can look for a sell around there. And as it is a choppy market, sideways market, so number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. So we can look for buy at support, sell at resistance. Means we can look for trading opportunities on both the sides of the market. Clear? So another selling opportunity will be around 2340, 2342 area because of the previous high made by the market. Clear? But a problem with these two levels is that, okay, they are far away from the current market price. So we need some immediate trading levels. For that, okay, we are drawing our FIBO here again. This is the high of the market, this is the low of the market. You can also do it like this. Okay, now you can see that when market went up after making a low of 2296, when market went up, okay, the FIBO of 0.236 worked. So we can expect the same again, isn't it? So if market goes up from here, the next selling opportunity will be around 2313. And then we have FIBO 50% retracement around 2319. And then 2324. So you can see that these are the three levels where we can look for a quick selling opportunity. As a day trader, do not expect much. If you get 30-40 pips also around this area, this is a good enough. Okay, because right now we don't see much volume and volatility in the market. So in this market situation where the trend of the market is also not very clear, if we can score 40 pips at a level, it is good enough. So we can, if you're wondering about Avilas, then what should be a stop loss? Stop loss can also be 40, means you can look for a trade-off 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and you can see that at 2313, okay, listen to me carefully. At 2313, not only we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, you can also see this was the resistance from where market fell, and also the 50 moving average is also present there. At 2319, okay, only 50, FIBO 50% retracement level. 2324 seems to be a good level because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level plus the previous resistance. So during the day when there will not be any influence of the news, we can definitely expect for a sell opportunity. But as we all know, no level is permanent in the market. So once market will enter the zone, okay, switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. Once you will see market is showing price rejection from above, you will get a confirmation that okay, as per our expectations, sellers are present, and then hit the sell button. Do not trade blindly. We are not gamblers. Do not forget it. Okay. So 2313, 2319, and 2324, especially before the US session when there will not be any news influence of the news. Clear? And if market drops from here, then I think this time it will break double to 96, the low made by the market. So if you want to go for a sell below double to 96, you can go for it. But personally, okay, if you ask me, Abhilash, what will you do? I will not trade in this zone here. Because personally, I believe that there is a high chance that market will somehow manage to stay above 2300. In case market drops also, okay, I think market will again come back again above 2300. So personally, I will not risk my own capital taking a sell below 2296 because personally, I'm not convinced. I'm not saying that it is not possible. Okay, it may happen, but I think okay, I should not go for it. So if you want, if you in case you see that there is a sudden selling pressure during the US session because of the news and market is going down, if you want to go for it, you can go for a sell below 2296. But be careful. And the next support is around where? Remember, 2286, the low made by the market. So yes, 2286 is still the best support in case market surprises everyone, shocks everyone with heavy selling pressure. Then obviously we can look for a support around 2286 level as well. So this seems to be a buy level and this seems to be a sell level if the selling pressure is high. Okay, I'm repeating, my dear friends, as the market seems to be a little bit clueless right now, we have a sideways or choppy market, so we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides here. And simply buy at support seller resistance. Try to avoid trading on the middle of the chart so that you are not trapped. Okay, so the range of the market seems to be double 287 on the downside and 2350 on the upside. So if market reverses from the 2350 or 234142 level, we can look for a sell. And if market bounces from double 287, if market goes down, you can look for a buy if market takes support. Clear? And if market goes up, but the market is not very volatile, especially before the US session, we can look for a sell around 2313, 2319, and 2324. We have discussed the reasons why we think that we may find some selling opportunity around the area. And we can look for a 1:1 risk to reward ratio there. And as market has formed lower high this time, so there is a possibility that market may go below 2296. If you want to go for a sell, if you find the selling pressure is high, you can go for it, but personally I will try to look for a buy at 2287. And due to some weird reasons, okay, I personally feel that if market goes down also, okay, we may find some price rejection from below and market should come up again above 2300. So time will speak. I'm not sure right now. And today's Friday, my dear friends. Friday can be dangerous sometimes, so be careful. Do not lose the profit of the whole week on some bad trades. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely